cartwheel is a starter's move, and the first thing you will practice. And the splits? Yes, well, that too. How about the somersault? I guess that as well. But today, we'll break down how to do a cartwheel at home. Your first move, Christy? Actually, my first move was the cartwheel too. If you don't include the somersaults down the stairs. Wasn't that falling? I prefer to call it falling with style. How about you? What was your first move, Claudia? Oh, that's easy. A double Arabian. It's really important to warm up and warm down. Absolutely. This will help you avoid getting injured or soreness tomorrow. So we'll start with 20 star jumps. Come on, do it with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 squats to stretch your glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Just 10 seconds each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move all your joints starting from the bottom and moving up. So, ankles, knees, waist, wrists, elbows, shoulders, and neck. Do a basic cartwheel. First, point one foot pointing away from the other. Then, make your arms into your air. You form a K. Then, form your body into an N. OMG! No, not the first one. The position, place one hand on the floor followed by the other. Then, you'll need a little momentum. After that, put your weight on both hands and flip your legs to the other side. You can have someone to help you by holding your legs. See? Remember, you can do it! Today's video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment too. Each week we'll be doing a comments of the week. On Tuesdays we'll be dropping a gymnastic video. And on Fridays it's Fashion Friday. So make sure to subscribe. See you soon!